This is the Monimoto device. This is what's in the package. Welcome to hassle-free adventures with Monimoto 9. Scan the code and let's set up your journey effortlessly. What's in the box? A Monimoto device, key fob, releasable zip ties. You can also connect with the Monimoto support from the Monimoto app. Let's see how to set this device, how to set up. Quite a pretty easy job. Pulling out a battery tab. 1, 2, 3. Charging your Monimoto 9 battery for the first time. Find the USB-C charging port located on one side of the device. Get a USB-C charging cable not provided and plug the cable into the charging port. Wait till the red light LED stops blinking. This indicates full battery. After Monimoto 9 is fully charged, remove the cable. Okay, let's take out the first device. Here is where we take out and discover the charging socket, USB-C, zip ties, and here it is. This is the key fob. Most likely we're gonna attach this to the key together with the motorcycle key, and this device we're gonna place it on the bike. This is the Monimoto app. Let's install it. Let's proceed. We're gonna open the battery tab from the key fob, which is located inside, and to access it you just open it, and here it is. We have to take it out, take out this plastic. Okay, we did. The battery, it's a simple CR2032, and you can take it out from the space. It's not a big deal. Let's put back. Okay, we press. Now let's go and charge the Monimoto device. When you see here this red dot which is blinking, it means that it's charging. When it stops blinking, then the Monimoto device is charged. We just charge it and then start the configuration. Here's the app. Let's choose Monimoto 9. Charge your Monimoto battery for the first time. Get a USB-C charging cable and adapter not provided. Plug in your USB-C charging cable. Wait till the red LED indicates full battery. Then we're gonna select the knob which we have, which is this one. There are multiple types. We have this one on the right side. Let's choose it. Okay, I've placed the Monimoto and key fob very close to the phone. Next, name your Monimoto. Transalp 750. Transalp 750. The phone number. Motorcycle. You can put it on your bicycle, on your car, on your boat. Motorcycle. Monimoto will use your phone number to send you SMS in the following cases: when your Monimoto SIM card is deactivated, when support team needs to contact you to help you solve Monimoto issues. By tapping I agree button, you agree to receive SMS in cases described above. Alright, choose your Monimoto, rescan, allow, Bluetooth activated. Check the serial number to make sure you selected the right device. Let's check the serial number. Okay, I've checked the serial number. It's okay. Rescan. We have a firmware update. Update now. Firmware update. Updating. Success. Your Monimoto is up and running. Now you can hide it in your vehicle. I'm gonna find the best spot to insert it. Alright, what we have here is the app where we can see the battery status, ready, key fobs which are connected, events, welcome to Monimoto, your Monimoto is ready, help, assistance, you can also have here if you have some problem. You have video library, you have user manuals. Wow, so it's everything, it's very detailed in the app. Already frequently asked questions are getting an answer directly from the app. We have the settings. You can, to change device settings, you have to connect to it through Bluetooth, get closer to your Monimoto and tap connect. Some smartphones require a restart of Bluetooth by switching it off and on again, repeat several times if needed. The SIM card is active until the 6th of September because we activated the device. It's actually, you're getting free subscription for a couple of months, and then you need to pay a certain amount. We're gonna detail afterwards. Start active tracking. Use only when vehicle has been stolen together with key fob. Expect location ping with the next device regular update. Okay, so when your device was stolen together with a key fob, you should start active track. I managed to test a little bit the device. I put the fob on my kitchen, and I just left the device here. I have it with me somewhere here. And I received not only a phone call to tell me that I need to check the bike, but also a message from Monimoto: alarm, Transvolve 750 is moving, next update in about 5 minutes, the GPS location. So very nice, I have to say. It's pretty fast, it's alarmed me very fast, just in a couple of seconds. And now I can either if the bike was stolen, I can either I can go on the app and press the see, I have it here on the events. Check it out, the events: alarm, determining Monimoto location, alarm, coordinates available, and it was moved. And then we press and we can see the coordinates where the bike was actually found. We can check it out. That's very nice. We also have live tracking. Live tracking increases battery consumption. In 5 minutes, it will start in about 5 minutes if movement continues and GPS signal is available. We have an alarm, which is also displayed here. It's instantly showing all the movement, the map, the location, everything. It's done pretty fast. Put it in sleep mode, tap and press together. Tap and press longer. Okay, in sleep mode, you can put it in sleep mode. To reset the alarm, you need to come with the fob close to the device, close to Monimoto device. If you have both together, then the alarm, it's again switched off. Now is ready, everything is ready. So yes, I'm honestly so far impressed how fast it reacts. And yes, it's a very nice option, Monimoto. Now it's time to install the device, the Monimoto. I'm gonna install it on the bike due to safety reasons, or due to security reasons. I am not able to show you, of course, when I'm gonna install it on the bike. What's the most important is that we have this tag, which we're gonna keep on the motorcycle keys. And the other device will be installed on the motorcycle. Also, I will not provide you any technical details or features detail. I'm not going to detail the features of this device, also due to security reasons. You will find all the infos, there is a complete not only installation guide, which I've already showed you, but there is also the technical features which this device provides. What I can tell you is that it's important to place it either with a sign up in order to take over the GPS satellites, to connect to the satellites. The recommendation is to keep it with the device either up or facing sideways. It's not recommended to put it with the sign on the back side, so keep in mind to place it with the sign up. It's the best way, or sideways if you don't have enough space. I have the SIM card valid for 2 months for free. I'm gonna test it for 2 months, then The price for 1 year, it's 39 euros. So 39 euros per year to have this Monimoto security system installed on your bike. The Monimoto 9 is IP68 water and dust proof. It weighs only 58 grams. Monimoto 9 is a smart GPS tracker designed for motorcycles, ATV, RVs and other valuables. It comes with an embedded eSIM card and includes 2 months of free connectivity. Can also be used to track bicycles when paired with a 3D printer plastic bracket. You receive instant alerts, calls on your phone instantly if unauthorized movement is detected, ensuring a faster response than notifications or SMS. USB-C rechargeable, lasts up to 12 months per charge, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. Monimoto 9 tracks your vehicle location via GPS over long distances and also includes a movement sensor. With a weatherproof casing, it is up to the task to protect your vehicle wherever you go. The key fob, this is your virtual key for the vehicle tracker. With a fob nearby, the tracker on your vehicle will instantly recognize that is you using the vehicle, disarming the GPS tracker. We have also the app which will instantly notify you when it detects unauthorized vehicle movement. It will track vehicle location, helping to recover the vehicle in case it gets stolen. Monimoto calls your phone in less than 1 minute if movement is detected and there is no paired key fob nearby. Phone call is more effective in attracting owner's attention than just a push notification or a text message. I have received this alert call very fast as soon as I've moved away with the tracker from the key fob. Monimoto device auto-arms itself when you leave your tool and disarms as soon as it detects your paired key fob. No need to set any geofences on the app or click any buttons on the key fob whatsoever. This is a tracker Monimoto 9. The price is 169 euros. You get 2 months free, and after these 2 months you have to pay 39 euros per year as a subscription.